All right, wilderness lodge. Oh, baby, you get your own bed. Wow. All right. Mama might need this later. Look, balcony. Oh my gosh. To figure this out. Ah, could help if we unlock it, right? All right. Nice. Cool. Love this. So here are the rooms. It looks like 2 queen beds they have us in. There's an adjoining room which we won't be using. Keurig in the room. There's a double sink. Oh, they have body lotion here. We didn't get that at the other hotel. H2O products. Oh, nice double faucet. A safe. They have a steamer here. All right. Oh, that's a beverage cooler, so we know that milk is not going to last in there. Closet. Full-length mirror here. Oh, this is the sliding door for the bathroom. All right. Nice. What do you think? What do you think, Lucia? Lucia? What do you think? Want to get out? Super humid. Seems like it's gonna rain. So this is the pool area. We actually didn't get to check it out. Probably should, but wanted to try to go to Epcot before we get picked up to go to the airport. So this is where we were last night. Very cool, right? All of Disney properties are amazing, but yeah, this is quickly becoming one of my favorites. Some more of the pool. I feel like they gate this a little bit better than like Art of Animation, which is interesting. Let's see, last night I was told you could go get a drink at the Geyser Point, which was open till 11, because the lounge area in our hotel, I guess they close at 10, so we missed it by the time we got back from Magic Kingdom. But I wasn't really sure where to even go for this, and I thought maybe it was going to be like a sit-down kind of place. So actually, I should have just checked this out last night, you know. Let's see if we could get across this way. Get some more views of the pool, right? It's got like a little slide over there for the kids. Or the adults, I don't know. I don't know if there's an age or a weight limit. This is so cool. So the water goes under here. You see that, Lucia? All the water? Oh, and they got like this little kiddie area, and wow, yeah, we're definitely gonna have to come back here. This pool, and it looks like we have, is this a hot tub? But yeah, check that little area out for the kids. Definitely amazing. And they have like that bucket that dumps. Yeah, that is so cool. Good morning, Lucia. Yeah, I definitely love this. They make it very like you're in North Carolina or something. Oh, I love it. Maybe Colorado. Oh, there's the geyser point. It's right there. Looks like we're gonna get some thunderstorms. Wonder if the boat is still gonna be running. Look how cool this is. Here's flip you around. Take your picture, Lucia. Uh-oh. Oh, beep, beep. Mother of the year right here. So I think I'm trying to figure out where we were. Probably on the side of this building here. I don't think we had a view facing this way. I think we were on the side. Yeah, so one thing, oh yeah, there's definitely some thunder. Gonna have some wet action today. Yay! Yeah, I don't know about yay. That just means more shopping. But we did pretty good this week. We didn't get pretty much rain until yesterday. And even when it rained, we were in the Uber coming from Art of Animation over here. So, yeah. Pretty. Uh-oh. And then here's where you get the boat to go to Magic Kingdom. All right. Here is our boat.